of 90% of American movies is the White House.
Yeah.
So I was like, what can I do with the resources I have that can get majority of my fellow Africans and Ugandans per se start believing in themselves and the fact.
Hello, my people. Yes, so our brothers, you don't put title to your name, Wodemaya. May I play am for you now?
Is who goes around to brag about successful Africans. Yes, I take pride in that.
He said, "Me una add the title to the number one vlogger, big blogger in Africa. When they vlog, when they bring the best Africa, come outside." He say, in fact, he say, you go take that one as a pride. Anything one want call her, me una call her beg. Me una big onu, me una call her the number one blogger in Africa. Ask Wodemaya. Now he talk am, no be me talk am, me not come for me, okay? Me we still listening to this our brother for Uganda. Now not say our brother Wodemaya, he go Uganda. He go Uganda, he go showcase the best the beauty of Uganda to the world. Yes, he come write out for Instagram between us say who in go video, that who in go interview. They mention this our brother. I would like me una hear from him, from the horse's mouth before we go talk about him.
And I want to be known as Africa's number one bragger. Please add that to my name. Wodemaya, Africa's number one bragger. The guy who brags about the beauty of Africa. The guy who goes around to brag about successful Africans. Yes, I take pride in that. And I can't wait to show you why it's called the Pearl of Africa. I am here to brag about a young African. Is he a millionaire or billionaire?
No, actually, I may be moving to $1 billion.
I have never heard of this guy, but when I landed in Uganda, I asked my community that, hey, which Ugandan entrepreneur do you guys want me to feature? And most of the people recommended Ham.
I'm by the names of Mr. and Miss Kiggundu, a Ugandan, a businessman trading in real estate, and now moving largely into agro-processing and value addition. I was born in Uganda. I've lived in Uganda all
my people. I think now here when our brother Wodemaya enter Uganda, he call announce am for Instagram handle which person he go interview. Then they come tell am say na Ham, a young man, a young guy, 40 years old. Hey, Naija Africana, 40 years old man, a millionaire going to billionaire, dollars, not Uganda currency. He opened door for our brother to interview him, but only one thing did when he talk, when he trigger my mind, echo me. This word I hear am from elderly woman mouth when I dey grow up. That word never stick comot for my mind, but I was shocked when I hear am for billionaire. Let me put it as a billionaire. 40 years old Uganda guy. He never travel out of Africa. You dey Africa, you dey feel say you no fit make am, you go make am. Don't worry. Undermine as our country they try to frustrate us. One day we will make am. The guy say, waiting na Nollywood. Me I not talk that part. He say na now there is day about Africa neck. But he built the house of White House. He built the White House, American White House for Uganda. You know me say you must go America to see a White House. You go there Uganda, you go see White House. It's the same measure about many of us, many Africa, many people, many human beings. That their mind too dirty. When they go see say young person, if they make her in life, they go start to talk bad about her. That is true. This social media when they do so. When they go see say at least you they try, or you know they shame, or your fellow content creator go your another this thing, or you and they bully you. Many comments when they receive as a bully. Now our fellow content creator, now the many parts. We need to be strong. We need to be very strong for anything we are doing. Young Africa guy, when he want to billionaire very soon, and he say he never travel out of Africa. He make his money from Africa. He make his money from Africa. Never travel out of Africa. He make all his money for Africa. Are you young guys? You think say you know if you make until you enter Europe? No worry. Focus. No waiting you want. Focus and work towards it. One day you go make it. Yes, many of us will already enter abroad. Kudos to us. May the Almighty God still make a way for us so that we still be among of the people who make them. But if you see the Africa, you feel say no. Till you enter Europe, I dey talk and say if you get money, if you get business when they do, no come out. Focus, concentrate on what you they do. Let's hear this part when I really love you guys to hear. Then we'll deliberate on that part. I think that here with the title when our brother still talk, me una add to his name, the number one vlogger in Africa. Me una put him.
Because our young children think that what is in Hollywood, that's the way they should live. And the signature mark of 90% of American movies is the White House.
Yeah.
So I was like, what can I do with the resources I have that can get majority of my fellow Africans and Ugandans per se start believing in themselves and the fact that we can make it here. And I was like, if I'm to put up my headquarters, let me make it like the White House to give them confidence. Someone passes it and is like, wow, it's just like the one in the States. So, the mind is key.
His house looks like a castle.
When you look at the house I built, I live in a very big house on 11 acres.
Yeah.
But a person needs only one room. I have like 8 cars, but you can drive one car at a time. But why? That big house, a person can only live in one room. Person can only live on one bed. And even on the bed, you can only stay on one side of the bed.
People, I hope you hear that part. The castle when he gets, the many cars when he gets, now only one car he go drive when we take him to his destiny. And at one place now he go sit down when he go drive to his destiny. That big house, why this part? Because when I dey grow up as a young girl, elderly woman, she stand at her front house. She stand for a front house. She call. I don't know who she call again. She said, I struggle to build this house. Inside this house, I get one room inside. Inside that one room, I get bed for one side. Inside that one place where you get bed for one corner, so he said, now one tiny place she go live. She go sleep till the day till day break. I was young, but I was shocked when I hear him again. Now I don't be adult. I don't get children. I don't be mother of 2. I can't hear him from millionaire mouth. Uganda millionaire. I can't hear him from his mouth. What it tell us? For me, my own opinion is that take life so simple. Take life easy. And secondly, no force yourself for, not put yourself for hurting or for bad thing. For my own, how I see that word at my own, you are free to drop your own your comment section. That particular part, now it reach you my mind because when I did grow up, I hear am for elderly woman mouth. Now I don't be adult, I don't get child, I don't get pikin. I still hear am again for a young Uganda man mouth. My own is that anything when you get in this world, you will not take anyone home. Where be our home when God call us, when God take our soul. Then if you try impact in somebody's life, don't try to bring somebody down because you want to make it in life. That is 0. My own, this particular part, so now they deliberate on. Not try to put, because anything when we get on this earth, the first example don't already dey. God, as we dey live, God gave us the example when we dey see. The things when we go see. Normal, you go get castle, you get big house. Then you go sleep, after the day you want go sleep, now one tiny place. As your bed big reach, now one tiny place you sleep. To tell you, say when you are living, you will not pack everything to where you dey go. You come with empty-handed, you will go with empty-handed. For that, not try to bring human being like you down so that you want to climb. If you have, impact in somebody's life. If you don't have, then leave it. But never you bring anybody down because you want to gain the whole world. What if you get the whole world and you now lose your soul? Where are you going? God give us example in this earth. You can get the whole world. But when you want to get your own rest, sleep is like you are resting. Sleep is like person don't see go. Now so sleep be. When you don't do finish, kaya do when you want go sleep. Now one tiny place. As our brother, Uganda brother, when he be millionaire, he say he never travel out of Africa. He say he make it for Africa. He say he want to try to change the narrative of Africa. Say how Nollywood they present to us, say that's what we're supposed to be. Not be so we're supposed to be. We can live more than that. And that is true. And our people, I just say, let me tell you now. No be say he never travel out of Africa, but he make money for Africa. But he dey travel all over the world now. Yes, money don't dey, but he make money for Africa. Okay? If you never watch that video, go watch am for Wodemaya channel. Watch am from the beginning to the end. You will understand what I try to talk. Okay? Try to help somebody. Okay? If you never watch that video for our brother, I know if just the record. I just take mostly that part. Now I reach up my mind. Say the whole castle when you get now. If you want sleep, now one room. And that one room, now one bed. And that one bed, now one tiny place. You be the type, you be the young guy, African young guy, when they think, say, if I not travel out of Africa, I will not make it. You will make it. You will make it. Focus. This our brother, billionaire, going to 40 years. 40 years. He's now a billionaire. Wow. God really bless some people. May we stop today, think about how it take making money. How, if you even making money, now you know how it take making money. But you see anything agriculture, they be millionaire, they be billionaire. Many people don't want to invest in agriculture. Agriculture, they inside business. And if you see castle, inside house, stadium day, a lot of things they inside house, as you take build down. To your taste. Yes, but he still talk and say, after you want to go sleep, because I want tiny place. Why are we trying to bring ourselves down? Because of we want to climb. You can climb without you not bring anybody down. You can do anything without you not bring any human being down. Okay? Let's be good. Let's be good. If you see somebody when impact your life, that person you not send them again. You can go without you not bring, in fact, you not bring them down to other human being. Yes, you can go your own way without you not bring that person down for another human being. Yes, some people, mostly this word, if you really see this word, people when they try to bring people, then are people when person don't try, that person don't try to impart. Nothing get this word. If you even get the whole word, if you want to go sleep, now parable for that rest when God still give us. To tell you, say, when you are going, you will not go with anything. If this our millionaire, it can make it in Africa. If you be the young Africa guy, you can still make it. Okay? No look, say, I can't make it, you can make it. If this our brother, Uganda brother can make it, you can make it too. Focus, know what you want and know what you don't want. Now, this one I get to talk. That part, really took my liver. I call me a millionaire, 40 years, a millionaire stroke to billionaire. He say, I still get this capsule. He say, after all, if you want to sleep, now later you want to sleep, now one room. Inside that one room, now one time. When they grow up, now since I still repeat that, I hear that word. Now I don't still be adult. I still receive that. I still hear that word. 40 years old young guy, young man. What did they tell us? They tell us, say, nothing they this word. No matter how you get the whole world, they can never leave the whole world for you to hold. No. Other man, he build that capsule, that he has. As you even get the house, my children, they distract me. Today, na Saturday, I don't even know what they talk. As you even get the house, no be only in one that will still leave the house for. Wife, they go, the children go, the people must stay. For that, what they tell you, say, focus and be nice to everybody, open hand. As our brother Wodemaya, he bring this our millionaire billionaire brother come outside. Now I say me I see show na my people. As our brother talk Wodemaya, say when they give thumbs up, I bet when they give us thumbs up. Okay, maybe this video as I say fit I want to talk, and so it can't be my children. They distract me. When you get children for us, they try to film, you must receive this distraction. Okay, I'll leave you now. Yes, our brother there Uganda, if you don't know, he go interview a millionaire, a billionaire, a young Uganda billionaire and millionaire. Yes. Now there I foresee this word when I break come my channel. I pick can I don't carry come my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Do well to join this beautiful family. Follow me, subscribe if you never subscribe. Thank you all. I will see you in my next video.
Last. Now everybody go to breakfast.